So you are going to say, hey, phone right, kumele sibamba abantwana bethu. Abantwana bama-victim bafonelwa ubani? Umbulele lo baba simncwabile. Ungakakwetshwa nokwetshwa. Even before you are sentenced, that man is buried underground. His children are left alone. No one is checking them via phone. Now you are in prison, you want to check yours. Damn, my brother, you should have thought about that before you can do anybody wrong. That person is saying no one can touch my kids. Just like you. But when you go and invade their space and say now you are making it for your kids, your family now. Your family is better than that one. You man. Come on, choose. Your land, you will produce for you. That is to provide, guys. O tla khona ntsha tšhelete we fe msadi wa hao a o phehele o je. That is to provide. Take it like a springboard. Do. That is to provide. When I hao o ntsha di 100 rand tsa meriri, o ntsha di tšhelete tsa di phone. O soka rekela mama hao phone, so rekela girlfriend phone. O soka rekela oshi wa hao di paint. A sokola. O so rekela cherry phone. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Appa is your host with the most. Like all the time, Bafethu. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nyasbongela namhlanje Bafethu. Kule video sikuyo Bafethu. I hope you keep on subscribing and you keep on sharing Bafethu. Into ebalekile la ukuthi sonke abantu abaningi bakhona ukubukela lama video wethu Bafethu. Sicela nishare ezinibatshela ukuthi subscribeani. Sizokwazi ukuthi masiposta nje because sinokuposta nasebusuku 12 AM on Sundays. Yabo? Uthola notification lapha ukuthi hayi sesiphinde safika. Bafethu ngicela ukubonga kakhulu namhlanje kini eneniyenze ngakhuluma ngaqabanga nje ngoNkulunkulu ukuthi angibonge kuNkulunkulu. Ngaleyo ndlela ngithi angibonge kini. You know abantu abaningi bafethu sisabhayisiswa ilento yokuthi uNkulunkulu ubani, uNkulunkulu ukuphi, uNkulunkulu uzongisiza nini, uNkulunkulu ngizombona nini. Guys, there's a reason why we don't see God. That reason is that someone put God out there as somebody different from us, waiting for us in the judgment day, waiting to take us to hell or to heaven. Bafethu, ngibonga uNkulunkulu kanje, ngithanda ukunitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu uwe umuntu. Mawusebenza kahle nabanye abantu, uphilisana nabanye abantu kahle. uNkulunkulu uwe. The reason singamtholi, singamboni, maybe kwesinye isikhathi singamfili, is that uzifuna wena. You know, they took you out of yourself and put it somewhere and say, go look for yourself. How would you see yourself? You can't. Wena uNkulunkulu bafethu, lo muntu lo uNkulunkulu upompela umoya wakhe oyingcwele phakathi kwethu. Wasibumba ngeimage yakhe. He wanted us to see him closer every day. Just that there's a bad spirit. Maybe I can say an opposition to God, you know. He uses you guys not to see yourself as God, but to see someone else that you will never see in your lifetime. So lento le yenza ukuthi sizinyathe singathola ama solutions, even nengqondo yethu iqabange kulento abasitshela ngayo, kanti ingqondo yethu it can go far away. Mawungacabanga ukuthi wena uGod, take that responsibility ukuthi uGod angathi ukhona in you. It's perfect God in you. It's not other God. Our creator is in you. You have built-in God in you, bafowethu. So masebenzisana senza kahle, wenza abantu kahle, ukhuluma nabantu kahle, nawe uhlonipha abantu, honest, reliable. Not for anyone. As I said, there's an opposition that attack God every day, that wants to take over this planet from God, from you. So don't let that happen, bafowethu. Asifundiseni nabantwana bethu babancane ukuthi banobunkulunkulu phakathi kwabo. Banabo ubunkulunkulu phakathi kwabo. So lezi zinto lezo ukuthi uNkulunkulu abantu bamdescribe are different, are far away. No, iyasilahla leyo. It is belittling our ability. It is belittling ourselves. So bafethu, please, as I say thank you to God, just know I say thank you to you together. Ngiyabonga bafethu. That is why the podcast, it is about honest. It is about love. It is about respect. It is not about classification. Who are you? Where you are coming from? What is your color or complexion? No. As long as you are a human being, you have God in you. I'm talking about you. I say thank you to you. We made it this far because of you, bafethu. Ngiyazibongela kakhulu. Hey, enye into namhlanje bafethu engifuna ukuyikhuluma, but before I can go there, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngamafoni asejele. I want to emphasize this, bafethu, because I'm against those phones in prison. I want to invite my brother here in front of camera just a little bit. My brother, over here, I want people to see something. I want you to answer something.
Okay.
Yes. I have questions. Just two.
Questions.
Yeah. Just come this side, my brother. Thank you very much. And guys, I hope you appear on camera, my brother, right? Yeah, just there.
Probably.
I hope you can see him, guys. This is the guy that I'm working with. His name is Smithy. He's a rapper, by the way, and he's behind the scene on Uppercut Camera. So, my brother, what is written here?
Uppercut Podcast.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. How do you feel, my brother?
I feel godly.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you very much. And the second question, my brother. I see you are a captain of some sort. Only captains are putting this.
This is a badge of honor.
Thank you. Thank you, guys, as you can see. Thank you, guys. Thank you to you once again. We thank you, guys, once again. So, where I want us to go, my brother, right now, quick. The phone, man. In prison. I know many guys can argue and say, hey, this phone's rona re hlokomela di family tsa rona. They have said that. Re hlokomela di family tsa rona ba bang re a keleza ka tsona di phone, rona ba bang batho ba bua dintho tse paya. But ne ke kopa, okay, ke utlwile ka tseo. And you guys in prison are offenders, right? Bear that in mind. So, these phones, there are people who are intimidating victims. There are people who are creating new victims outside here. The phone. Because you guys, you promise them love. Mostly are women, right? You promise them love. You promise them this and this because you can read their words as they speak to you. I know how you think, guys. You are patient. You have nothing to do there but to be patient, So just imagine, I've said this once before. Just imagine nje ukuthi somebody just got 100 years for you as a victim, right? You heard and everything. And then the very same night that he was sentenced, you can't sleep because you feel joy.
Yes.
You know, you are happy as justice has been served. You feel that way. So many times, according to my experience, if you are happy, you can't sleep.
Yes.
If you are more angry, you can't sleep. Emotions, you know, it must be
Neutral.
level. Yes, they must be neutral. You mustn't be more happy or more angry so that you can sleep okay. So that time then, you don't sleep because of happiness. Past 11, 12 o'clock, your phone rings. And to you, you think like it's your people, right? Who are congratulating you because of what happened that day. So only to find you will hear the voice that was sentenced, that you heard in court, that was sentenced 100 years because of you. Because to that person, guys, to that person who are sentenced, you are wrong.
Yes.
They feel that you are wrong. They shouldn't be sentenced. This and this. Hence, we all appeal. Even those who know they did that, they appeal as well. You know? So, that time during the night, while you are sitting and enjoying and everything, your phone ring. And then you pick it up. Hello? You hear the voice, that voice. Say, how sure are you I'm in prison? Did you take me to prison? Oh, you are sleeping nicely in your bed. At home, in your home, with your children. Me, I'm not with my children. What would you, as a victim, going to do, or going to think, or going to feel? Guys, just put your feet in that victim's shoes for a little. You know, hanyane fela bafethu. Like el nahane ka di victims tseo. People are killing each other outside, only to find it started in prison via phone. Because there is gangsterism in prison. When as you are educating yourself via phone, you can use a tablet, my brother. You can use a laptop, maybe.
Yes.
You know, you can use those, not phone. Not a phone of it. I know you have your rights as prisoners, but your rights are limited of it. Your rights are limited. Okawathile di right tsa batho ba bang wena. You blocked and kill other people's right by doing them wrong, raping them, killing them, marking them and everything. Taking their cars by force. You know, you did wrong. So your rights in prison are limited. You eat, you have clothes to cover your body, you sleep. That's your right. Make sure you are healthy to feel the pain. Make sure you are healthy to feel the pain. You know, so when you are going to say, hey, I'm a phone right, kumele sibamba abantwana bethu, abantwana bama victim ba phone lo bani. Umbulele lo baba simncwabile, ungakakwetshwa nokwetshwa. Even before you are sentenced, that man is buried underground. His children are left alone. No one is checking them via phone. When now you are in prison, you want to check yours. Damn, my brother, you should have thought about that before you can do anybody wrong. You should have thought about that. Everything that you try to think and sugarcoat this phone thing in prison. My brother, you should have thought about that before you go to prison.
Yes.
Even to go to school in prison, is that another privilege? It's not your right. It's a privilege. Because you killed other people's dreams of going to school here. Innocent children are not going to school now because they are sure that were taking them to school has been broke.
Yes.
Doesn't work anymore. So they don't go to school anymore. You paralyzed their mother,
Yes.
their father. There is no breadwinner now in those children. Have you thought about that? Why wena uzofuna sicabangele wena? Wena uhluleka ukucabangela abantu.
Innocent people.
Wena, just innocent people. Innocent. When you're not innocent as you are there. Not all of you though.
Yes, yes.
But you are not innocent as you are there. Some of you were like me. You know you are criminal. But you were just not caught for what you did.
Yes.
You know, just make peace with that. You are suffering for this that you were not caught for that. Make peace with that, my brother. As long as you know you were already a criminal. You know, make peace like me. I did that. You know, make peace. Love yourself again. Love yourself again. And apologize in your prayers to God. Which means you are apologizing to yourself and you are sending the message to the universe. You see? So those people that you wronged, my brother, they might forgive you automatically. People are God, my brother. We are all connected somehow. So when I with your arrogance, saying, hey, me, nabantwana bam, no. Just apologize not to your kids for failing them. For saying, hey, bengitry ukuniphandela. Uphandela abantwana bakho ngemali enyembezi. Besocabanga ukuthi they are going to the bright future. You are wrong. Think about that. Wena ukhipha igazi ukuze utholele imali, ubulela umuntu ukuze utholele imali, angithi uyinika abantwana bakho ukuthi baye esikolweni babe right empilweni. How unfair is that, good people? Just think about that, mfowethu. Masenze crime. Ntwana zami, cela ningayingene le crime. Trust your mind. You are God. Ningayingene nakancane le crime. Yabona? Because abanye abantu siphuma kanje sishaya umthetho la ngaphandle. Right? And now amanamba siyasebenzisana ejele bakhona ukungithuma la ngaphandle. Bakhona ukungithuma la ngaphandle. Wena ucabanga ukuthi no, if I perpetrator ehambile ejele kanti he can operate adile nawe azi zonke indlela zakho la ngaphandle. Just imagine that bafethu uphila kanjani uma umuntu uphiliswa kanjalo. Abantu abathi bona banamafamily bathanda amafamily wabo enemoya yabotsotsi bathanda ukuthi hey ungadlalela ku entweni zonke ini ungadlalele ebantwaneni bami kodwa yena ukwazile ukudlalela ebantwaneni babanye abantu. That's my problem, my brother.
Yes.
Utsibile yena udlalela kuba nembaba kuba ne crime. Where are you going to do it? Mawuthi uyophanda kuphi nje yami? Uyothathela omunye umuntu, black, white, green, I don't care. Use your mind. Ubayenzile abantwana, ubayenzele bani? Ubayenzelela abelungu ukuthi uzobatshontshela. Ubayenzele amakula. Wenzele bani? Awenzelanga omunye umuntu. Those are your kids. You are responsible for them. That person is saying no one can touch my kids. Just like you. But when you go and invade their space and say now you are making it for your kids, your family now. Your family is better than that one. Come on, Bafeto, man. Basically, once again, it's to do crime, my brother. It's like you are blaming other people for your suffering.
Yes.
You are blaming other people. You are scared that your kids will tell you that, father, mother, you are a failure. So, quick crime. Quick, shabisa the drugs, killing other children's kids. Shabisa the drugs. But your kids, when? Uboba is a private school. Ubonana batlo look.
Yeah.
Come on, we have seen educated monsters here. Yeah. You can't play games with us. We have seen educated monsters, women and men. And as I said on the last video, tears of those people will follow you and your kids. uzoboshwa sowuyiphoyisa elikhulu saying you're successful. You'll embarrass your kids. I'm telling you. You're gonna embarrass your kids. Also the doctor. You'll embarrass your kids when. Also the minister of something. Open your eyes and mind. Stretch your mind. Yanicela bafethu ntwana zami ngikhulumela lokho ngithi ningayijoin lento yenombora ningayijoin lento ye crime because you're gonna use your phone crying to your mother or mama cela imali of which you should have asked money while you are outside so that you can do good things. Ungacela imali uthi uyothenga ini kanti uyothenga ibhiya ntwana kanti uyobhecha ntwana yami. Yes, we are providers as men. You know, we are providers as men, but to provide, how can you be a provider without land? You can't. You are not a provider. You'll never be a provider. You're providing about what are you providing? You're gonna steal. You're gonna steal. So ska jump at the stage in Tonaka. Batla land de pele. Otohonore. How about the family or produce your land, you will produce for you. That is to provide, guys. That is to provide. Take it like a springboard. Do. That is to provide. When I on the 100 rand is America, on the shelter phone, also got regular mama how phone, so regular girlfriend the phone. Also got regular Oshua how the paint. A socola. Also regular cherry phone. Or the paint way. Some regular the car when a cherry fair. Had Samaya. That's why Lipola ever fed. That's why you kill yourself. Yeah. Or Libola Sadiba. You don't have to know about Sadiba high. Moto. Or else, how close a man must provide. Asna monna. Adula kobo na or kobo boyfriend. Umje or mama. You are a danger to yourself and other people. So lo enantanga. How na richere we ratan tlamile we private ka chelete we rekela di present. You are exaggerating, guys. And that is gonna cloud your judgment as to are you loved or bawdlala ka wena. Control. Thank you very much, Buffett. I hope this is really good layer, but my piggies in the phone nature. I can go on and on. My piggies. Thank you very much. So now I am Buffett being from Kulumangai. Megji. Okay, let me start by saying podcast and chill. Buffett to that. Megji, Solpendoga, and Ghost Lady. Guys, I admire you. You are doing a good job of it, you know. And part of me was encouraged by you, you know, to say, okay, Lena, I can do something because I also feel to teach people, you know, and I also need a platform to say where my voice could be heard by many people at once, Buffett. So hence I respect Umekji a lot. Umekji is smart, you know.
Yes.
Yeah. Ke mtseba ka podcasting le ko radio nganyane. I know him from there. Radio a little bit how the same guy is opening a podcast. What is podcast? You know? Yes. And then boom, many podcasts were there. So hence I say, Megji, you have a tiny body. A tiny body. But you are so smart. You know, you are smart, my brother. And you have love in you. I Zoom to you many times, my brother. I listen to you many times. I see what you are doing. You are doing a great job for South Africans and the world and the Africa, my brother. Hence your podcast is the biggest podcast in the world. In the world, no doubt about that. Ngapha logo fafa, ngabo the lady, Ghost Lady. The questioning there, my brother. She's so respectful. With from the tone, my brother, she's so respectful and she's so, what can I say? She's so peaceful. Humble, my brother. That's the word I wanted. She's so humble. So, Buffett, and here's my guy again. I love Sol Pendoga. Sol Pendoga to me, it's like a spice. There in that podcast so that the food can taste the army. I'm faith.
The sauce.
I respect you, Mfana, man. Sol Pendoga, you are the best learner in what you do, my brother. So, here's the thing now. I'm asking you one thing, Mechi. Just to say a word to the podcast and chiller, to the chillers, that they must watch Uppercut Podcast. They must subscribe to other Uppercut Podcast. But before you do that, please watch our videos and judge. I give you that power. All of you there, guys. I give you the power to judge this podcast because I don't want to let you guys down. To me, you are the best at podcasting.
Yeah, the pioneer.
Yes. So I'm looking up at you guys. So I don't want to disappoint you. So I'm giving you the power to judge. Just listen to our podcast and then judge whether we are on the right track or on a bad one. That way, my brother, if you can say, hey, Uppercut Podcast, it's a no, not bad. You will see. I won't go any further, my brother. We will just stop here. In respect of you guys. I want you to see how serious I am taking you guys and your job. I love you people. Keep on doing what you do best, Mechi. So if you guys, all of you, 3 of you, you are the judge of this podcast. This podcast can go forward. This podcast
can
end. I'm giving you that permission. Maybe I will say I'm risking.
Yes. Making a bet.
Yeah. I'm making a bet here, my brother. Because I trust myself. I trust Uppercut Podcast. Yes. I'm saying we are on the right track. We need to be listened to. We need to reach more people. But when I'm a G, I'm not okay. Yeah. Just say it. Just say a word. Just say a word. If you say it's power up, then we are going to put more acceleration, my brother.
Yes.
We are going to put more acceleration. Yes, I hope you'll do the right thing, Mechi. Please, man. Just say a word. To your podcast. Say a word. Uppercut Podcast is the one. Thank you, Bafetu Bongela. And I want to promise people, man.
Okay,
I want to put my head on the block for this one.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to say on the 30th, maybe, month end of July.
Oh, yes.
Right? This is the month end of June.
Yes.
Month end of July. We are promising them to bring you the guests, the visitors, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We're going to be interviewing people. I promised before I did it. So I'm promising again,
Yes.
to say month end Bafetu, because we are growing.
Yeah.
We are a big nation right now, and we are getting bigger and bigger every day. So Bafetu, by so doing, we are saying we appreciate. Thank you very much. Education will come to different people.
Yes.
Our guests, they are coming. Month end of July. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, tell them of it. Nyas bongela.